sa inyong lahat. So excited ang mga Filipino community sa buong Amerika dahil the champion of the Filipinos is in town. So everybody's excited. Maraming yung mga hindi makadalaw sa kanyang fight will be doing watching him on pay-per-view.
Mm. So ngayon po ba ma'am, kamusta po? At lalo po ngayon dahil marami po ay mga kababayan po natin sa Pilipinas pa lamang talagang all for Pacquiao sa laban, pero nakikita po sa mga betting odds po diyan, ito pong si Mario Barrios po ang nangunguna po diyan, ma'am.
Oo, kasi bata siya and he's the current champion. So this is going to be a fight of the seasoned and experience versus
Mm.
fresh breath of air with the youth, with the
Mm.
strength of his youth. So sabi niya, I'm very confident. Sabi niya na this is an opportunity for him to be the fighter of the generation. So yun ang sabi niya kanina na once of a lifetime opportunity and he's ready for it.
Mm. So Ma'am Marisa, do you think po na ito po bang magiging factor po yung age po diyan at kamusta po yung pong mga analysis po ng mga boxing analyst po diyan sa kanila pong masabi po sa ating pong pambansang kamao?
Siyempre, they always weigh in with Manny Pacquiao being 46 years old and Barrios to be 30. That's 16 years difference. But
Mm.
ibig sabihin, Manny Pacquiao has 16 years of power-packed experience and ready to take care of this. But Mario, who is the current champion, has the 30-year of youth at saka bago siyang champion and he's a breath of fresh air. So this
Mm.
is the strength of a young man and the experience of a title holder,
Mm.
and we'll see who will prevail. Sometimes people like this kind of competition, sometimes it will surprise us.
Yes.
Being Filipinos, of course, we are rooting for our hero. No?
Mm.
Kaya nga sabi niya, mga Filipino daw very loud.
Mm.
But then his Mexican community are louder or crazier. So it is exciting, but the whole country is watching. Chavit Singson came to
Yes.
town just for this fight.
Yes. Oo nga ma'am, yun na po isa po sa mga nakikita po, yung suporta ng mga Filipino communities po dyan. Ma'am, siguro panghuli na lamang po, kamusta po yung crowd or Filipino communities rooting for our Pinoy pride?
Siyempre, lahat ng mga kaming na hindi makapunta sa Las Vegas, meron kaming mga pay-per-view. Lahat naka-order ng pay-per-view and
Mm.
some will have like a Filipino party. And then sa Vegas, they're having a rowdy party and then mga taong nakakuha ng mga ticket. It is the hottest ticket in town.
Yes nga. Saka daw po mainit po sa may Las Vegas ngayon ma'am, no? At hindi naman po nagiging maging apekto po yan sa atin naman pong pambansang kamao.
Hindi, mainit ngayon kasi it's summer. Mainit din dito sa Oregon, but
Mm.
they are in a very air-conditioned room,
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
everybody, it's hot, but our Filipino champion is hotter than that.
Alright. And with that, Ma'am Marisa, maraming salamat po sa oras po ninyo na kahit po napakaikli ay binigyan po ninyo kami ng time po para maki-update sa nangyari pong weigh-in dyan mismo sa Las Vegas. Ma'am Marisa, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure. Bombo Framing mula rito sa Portland, Oregon. Ako si Bombo International News Correspondent Marisa Pascual. Para sa #1 most trusted radio network in the country, it's Bombo Radio Philippines. Basta Radio. Bombo.